to your dad.
Yep, we broke her in. Yep, $200 and we broke her in. I might post this on my YouTube channel. In fact, I am.
I need to find it. No, you need to show me the actual name.
It's the Anime Rail Fan.
I looked it up and I could not find it for the life of me.
Did you put spaces in it, bro?
I tried. Hold on. When you get a chance, you should show me.
It doesn't have spaces in it.
It doesn't?
Yeah.
You have to have new content, man. New content, baby.
Yo, bro, I just
The
posted.
algorithm probably didn't say.
Yo, bro, I just posted because I caught Long Island Railroad DE38C 406 in Greenport on Sunday.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Right. Were you there just train spotting?
Well, I caught her. She was there with me and my mom arrived.
Oh. Oh, no.
You know what? Hang on. Let's see if we can give her a load.
What are you doing on lunch next?
Oh, yeah.
She got stuck on the point. Oh, good. She's responding better. Are you at full throttle, Nigel?
Yeah.
Okay, she's responding a lot better then.
That's probably because she's slow. 10-wheelers are slow. That's just it. Oh. Hang on.
I bet it needs to be serviced.
Hang
Or it
on.
could be akin to one of the older controllers, too. That one only has a set speed, so.
Oh, that's a good
Hang on.
point.
It's possible, I'm not sure.
Hey, Ryan, hold my phone.
I'll hold your phone.
You'll probably have more better success at recording than I do. This might be too heavy for her, so...
Yeah, buddy.
give
Maybe
her
a gondola and a caboose, or you want to just do a
I don't
gondola?
have a gondola, but this is actually a hopper, CSX hopper.
Oh yeah, my bad. I'm English.
You...
I'm an English bloke.
with your British locomotives. Come on. There we go.
Alright, you want to couple her up or you want to just...
Well, she's gonna be pulling just the CSX hopper. A lot of road caboose. That's all she's pulling today. What the? Oh, there we go. Right, now that we got that sorted. Alright, then let's back, bro. Oh wait, this is forward.
Bring her back.
Easy, easy.
Come on, Gersha.
Gersha would be a good name.
Come on, old girl.
Gersha would be a good name for her.
I think so. It's up to you, though.
You know what? I'm naming her Diana.
Diana, nice. Here she goes. Woo! She's pulling it pretty well, actually. Look at her go. She's pulling.
People are going to complain that if I bring this to a train stall, I might have a few that people are going to complain about, like, why are you running a even-sitting 10-wheeler with a CSX hopper that Long Island Rail caboose?
Well, that just depends on the person. Most people at certain train stores don't really mind, but that depends. Some people are very big sticklers on the era and the company and all that. But that just depends on who you get.
I agree. I think it's gotta be right.
Alright, ready? I'm gonna get a season 2 style shot. Ready?
Yeah. If I had a controller, then I would do the crossing signal. But I don't have a controller to control the blow of the whistle.
Look at that.
Ryan,
Blows on
take a video with his phone. So that
It is his phone.
Oh,
This is his phone.
Yeah, that is my phone.
He's letting me use it so I can take videos for him.
Yeah, since I'm a terrible caravan.
You're not bad, I mean.
Oh,
It just takes practice.
yeah.
I've been doing it for a while. I've had model trains for about 3 years now. I've been doing model trains.
imagine, did you eat, buddy?
Yeah.
Me finished. I'm eating.
Throw it out. Throw it out in the garbage, buddy.
That's good.
That's good chicken.
Yeah.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah, it's definitely working a lot better now.
Yeah, she just needs to be broken in, I think.
Oh yeah.
Hang on.
That big what's the Logimex again, Nigel?
What?
What's the big white one again? Remind me. Is that
That's a grain hopper.
Thank you. That was probably too heavy for her. Is my guess.
If I had some passenger cars, then I would run her with some.
My passenger cars aren't the same coupling system, or else I would.
Alright, I think you need to break in another one.
Alright.
Alright.
Take her one last route. One last loop, and we'll...
Who do you want to do next?
Let's see if I can run both of the SD40s.
They'll run well together since they're basically the same engine, so.
Yeah.
As long as they have.
They're not broken in, right?
Not yet.
Actually, I have. I ran them in the store.
Oh, then never mind. Alright, stop her when you're ready, Nigel.
Alright, then.
How do you turn off the video?